Hey, Matt from Viewfinder Mastery here, and I've got a special invitation for you. But before I get to that, I'd like to ask, are you still not getting the sharpness out of your photos that you see in other photographers' shots? I've been teaching photography for over a decade, and I constantly see photographers blaming their lenses and their camera's autofocus for soft or even blurry photos, when the real culprit is actually their misunderstanding of the relationship between shutter speed, subject distance, and lens length. And in fact, if you're one of those photographers that are using faster shutter speeds than are necessary, that's equally problematic, since you'll never be able to get the top quality images out of your camera that you deserve. And when you see what I'm talking about in this training and how simple the solution is, it's going to really surprise you. This free online training is going to up your photography game overnight, so don't miss the opportunity. Reserve your spot via the link below this video, and I look forward to seeing you and answering your questions live. It's going to be lots of fun and very enlightening, and you have nothing to lose. So don't wait. Sign up via the link below and secure your spot before the training fills up, and I will see you there.